It's Elizabeth at the Hot Sardines speaking to you from a shower stall in London. And I'm here to talk about Wales. Not the animal, the place. I've never been to Wales. I'm really excited because the Sardines are playing at the Cardiff Festival of Voice. Say that 10 times fast. On the 9th of June, so in just a few days. I'm especially excited because in my mind Wales is all green rolling hills and purple skies and basically a patchwork of every Tom Jones album cover I've ever seen just come to life. I think it's probably a cliche to be prematurely in love with Wales because of my love for Sir Tom, but I'm comfy with that. Plus we'll be there just a couple of days after his birthday. I have to believe there'll be a special zing of magic in the air being there around then. I also assume it's a national holiday. So Cardiff, Wales, we will see you on the 9th. Tom, if you're watching, happy birthday.